Imagine waking up one morning and struggling just to sit up. You reach for your walker or cane and realize something's not right. Your strength is slipping away. This isn't just an occasional problem. For millions of seniors, losing muscle isn't a choice. It's a hidden epidemic that robs them of their freedom, mobility, and confidence. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, affects up to 50% of people over age 60. It doesn't just make you weaker, it increases your risk of falls, fractures, hospitalizations, and even early death. But here's the hopeful truth. Scientists have uncovered that muscle loss is not only preventable, it's reversible. And one specific food, often missing from senior diets, has been shown to dramatically reverse muscle loss, even outperforming some medications. Today, we'll reveal this powerful food and count down the top 10 muscle-preserving foods you should be eating regularly. Let's get started. 10. Lean beef, nature's muscle multivitamin. Lean cuts of beef are more than just a tasty meal. They're packed with everything your muscles crave. Each 4-ounce serving gives you 25 grams of complete protein, rich in leucine, an amino acid that turns on your body's muscle-building switch. As we age, our muscles become resistant to growth. Leucine helps push through that barrier. Beef is also one of the best sources of natural creatine, your muscle's energy storage molecule. Younger adults produce it naturally. Seniors? Not so much. That's where beef helps. Plus, it's loaded with iron and B vitamins, which help oxygen reach your muscles and power your metabolism. If you're aiming to stay strong, go for grass-fed varieties when possible. Cuts like sirloin or tenderloin provide all the benefits with less fat. Just 2 to 3 servings per week can help you stay mobile and independent longer. 9. Whey protein, your fast-acting muscle shield. Whey protein is often called the gold standard of muscle health, and for good reason. This fast-digesting, dairy-based protein is extremely high in leucine and other essential amino acids. It reaches your bloodstream quickly, helping your muscles respond right away, especially after meals or light exercise. In seniors, muscle growth signals slow down. But with whey, studies show up to 40% greater muscle retention, even in people who don't exercise regularly. Plus, whey contains bioactive peptides that improve blood flow to muscles, lower inflammation, and support insulin sensitivity. The best part? It's easy to incorporate. Mix 20 to 30 grams into a morning shake or post-walk smoothie. Look for whey isolate or concentrate without added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're lactose sensitive, try hydrolyzed whey. It's easier to digest. This one habit alone could dramatically slow age-related muscle decline. 8. Fatty fish, omega-3. Power for aging muscles. Think salmon, sardines, mackerel. These fatty fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These nutrients work at a cellular level to reduce chronic inflammation, a major cause of muscle breakdown in older adults. A 4-ounce serving of salmon gives you about 20 grams of complete protein and a hefty dose of vitamin D, critical for muscle and bone health. But there's more. Omega-3s help your muscles become more sensitive to protein. That means your body uses it better, builds more muscle, and recovers faster. In one study, older adults who ate fatty fish just twice a week preserved far more muscle over 3 years than those who rarely ate fish. For best results, choose wild-caught fish and bake or grill them lightly. If fresh fish isn't available, a high-quality fish oil supplement can help. 7. Nuts and seeds. Small snacks, big benefits. Don't underestimate the power of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds. These tiny foods are rich in healthy fats, protein, and critical minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle contraction, energy production, and recovery. Yet many seniors are deficient, leading to fatigue and frequent cramps. Zinc supports testosterone levels, which naturally decline with age and impact muscle preservation. Walnuts are especially rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces inflammation. Vitamin E, found in many nuts and seeds, helps protect your muscle cells from oxidative stress, one of the hidden drivers of muscle loss as we age. Snack on 1 to 2 ounces daily. Choose unsalted versions, and avoid over-snacking by pre-portioning them into small containers. They're nutrient-dense but calorie-heavy. 6. Beans and legumes. Gut health, muscle health. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans. These humble staples are a muscle-saving secret weapon. While they offer about 15 grams of protein per cup, their biggest strength is in their fiber and resistant starch content. These compounds nourish your gut microbiome, which researchers now link directly to muscle health. A healthy gut lowers inflammation, improves nutrient absorption, and keeps your immune system strong. Beans also contain potassium, magnesium, and iron, key minerals often lacking in senior diets that directly support muscle function. Tufts University found that older adults who ate legumes 4 times a week maintained significantly more muscle over 5 years. Start small to avoid digestive issues, then gradually increase. Soaking beans overnight can help make them easier on your stomach. 5. Eggs. Nature's perfect protein. Eggs are one of the most affordable, complete sources of protein available. Each egg contains high biological value protein, meaning your body absorbs and uses it very efficiently. And don't skip the yolks. That's where you'll find half the protein, plus essential nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and leucine. Leucine is especially important for older adults, as it directly activates muscle protein synthesis. In a University of Illinois study, seniors who ate whole eggs after exercise built 40% more muscle than those who ate egg whites only. Concerned about cholesterol? Don't be. Recent research shows that up to 7 eggs per week doesn't increase heart disease risk, and may even help balance cholesterol levels. 4. Extra virgin olive oil, inflammation fighter. This golden oil isn't a protein source, but it's a muscle protector nonetheless. It contains oleocanthal, a compound that acts like a natural anti-inflammatory, similar to ibuprofen. It reduces the low-grade inflammation that breaks down aging muscle tissue. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your muscles to better utilize protein. And it supports hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone, both crucial for maintaining lean mass as we age. In the pre-dimed study, seniors who followed a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil maintained significantly more strength and had lower frailty. Drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons over veggies, mix into salad dressings, or enjoy with whole grain bread. Store it in a dark bottle to preserve freshness. 3. Berries. Antioxidants for muscle protection. Berries are often overlooked in muscle health conversations, but they shouldn't be. These brightly colored fruits are rich in polyphenols like anthocyanins, which neutralize harmful free radicals that damage muscle tissue. As we age, oxidative stress increases, breaking down muscle membranes and slowing recovery. Berries like blueberries and blackberries have been shown to protect mitochondria, the energy producers inside your muscle cells. A Tufts University study found that older adults who ate berries regularly had better muscle recovery and performance, especially after physical activity. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or eat them plain as a naturally sweet snack. 2. Leafy greens, blood flow and mineral power. Spinach, kale, collards, and Swiss chard might not seem like muscle food, but they're packed with muscle-preserving nutrients. Their key weapon? Nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide, boosting blood flow to your muscles for better nutrient delivery and recovery. They're also rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for proper muscle contraction. And let's not forget vitamin K, which supports bone density and protein metabolism. In one study, seniors with high vitamin K intake had significantly less muscle loss over time. Aim for 2 cups of leafy greens per day, cooked or raw, for a natural muscle and bone boost. 1. Greek yogurt, slow digesting, muscle-building power. Topping. Our list is Greek yogurt, a high-protein, gut-friendly food that delivers long-lasting benefits. Each 6-ounce serving packs 15 to 20 grams of protein, mostly from casein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles gradually over hours. This is especially helpful if eaten before bed, when your body is in a fasting state and more prone to muscle breakdown. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, nutrients critical for both muscle and bone strength. Plus, the probiotics in yogurt support a healthy gut, which enhances nutrient absorption and lowers inflammation. Choose plain, unsweetened versions and dress them up with berries, honey, or seeds for flavor and nutrition. 3 to 4 servings per week is ideal. Your muscles are your body's engine, and keeping them strong is key to living independently, avoiding injuries, and enjoying life well into your golden years. With the right foods, you can slow, stop, or even reverse muscle loss. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals this week, and over time, your body will thank you. Which of these muscle-preserving foods do you already eat? Have you noticed improvements in your strength or mobility? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert videos just like this. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving forward.